Time to celebrate. Since 2020, when omlox was initiated, our community has grown so much that we now can count more than 1,000 followers on our LinkedIn channel. We are absolutely thrilled about this achievement by the world's first open locating standard. And we want to say thank you. Thanks to everyone and every single organization that supported omlox throughout the past years and helped pushing our idea forward. Only via open interfaces, flexible locating solutions that are independent from any supplier in the future can be ensured. This is the idea of omlox. So, together we make the world a connected place. Join us now and become part of our journey.